Alrighty, YouTubers, round number 2, Monday, May 14th. We have another huge box unboxing to do. Oh, it kind of rhymed. Not sure where this is coming from, though. Missouri, that's all it says. And hope everyone had a good weekend. Everybody is safe. Let's get into this thing. It is heavy, though. Mailman did not look too happy carrying this thing. Not sure what it is, though. And the links are going to be down below also, if you guys want to check them out. Whatever this is. The mystery unfolds. What do we have here? Oh, smoke. What is this thing? Oh wow, it's one of these things again. Rechargeable 3D massager with heat function. Shoulder. I'm not sure what's going on here. Nursal, check them out. There we go. And to take advantage of the Amazon Prime fast shipping, this is the other model they have. Okay, I see. Comes with the wall charge. It is wireless also. Take this on the road, RV, great for camping. This thing is amazing though. And here we go. Yeah, buddy. Definitely check them out, YouTubers. Really good company on Amazon. They got a lot of other good stuff. Heart monitors. Massaging, foot thing, foot massage. I'm not sure if it's going to light up, it might need charge. But they got the switches down here. These are like the straps, so you put your hands through it. Yeah, it's dead. Dang. Well, we saw in the other video what they look like, how they work. They got these 4 sets of balls right here. Heats up through here, all throughout. I mean, this thing works great. I tested it out the other day and quite impressed. But the links are going to be down below to check them out. And that's it for today, YouTubers. So you guys be safe. Have a good day and see ya.